say that we're gonna take the Gray Ghost out and drive it. I have driven this car around a little bit here and there, no more than probably a half mile away from the house. But we're probably gonna take this thing down the road a mile or so with a passenger. This will be the first time that's had a passenger check to make sure nothing's gonna rub, scrub, or anything like that. But now we have the Gray Ghost on both sides, and I love it. It looks great. Anyway, with that being said, we're gonna go for our first drive. It's still got that miss, whenever it's just kind of idling. Mm-hmm. Cable's rubbing on the drive shaft. I think I can hear it.
Did you ever tie it up?
Just poked it back up in the hole. Yeah, okay. I drove earlier and it was like slinging rocks and shit everywhere. Or it could be a plug, honestly. Maybe a plug. Like this right here. We'll blow her out a little bit. Yeah, I think I can hear it popping a little.
Yeah.
It needs new plugs in it. Yeah, that's that damn brake line scrubbing on the drive shaft. Damn, that sucks because it would have been a real quiet ride for the most part.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if we can get her to clear up a little.
Better than a Foxbody.
Yeah, it really does. I mean, this thing is absolutely super smooth. Oh yeah, man. It sounds like it's trying to clear up a little bit.
Me too.
Yeah. Man, this is perfect.
Oh yeah.
I never expected it to drive this good. That's great.
Looks cool.
This shit's hurting my damn head. Yeah. So we don't have a ball yet or a knob, but it's all good. Guys, I don't know if you can tell, but on video, but in the car, it's extremely quiet. Like no rattles. It sounds awesome. Trying to clear it out a little bit. It's honestly not even really floaty. It is a little, but that's just going to come with the manual steering. And it does need another front end alignment, but for the most part, can't say enough good things about this car and this drive. The car's not completely together yet, obviously, but man, I feel like we could take this thing anywhere. We do have a little bit of a some oil smoke, but that's probably just dripping off the valve cover. I think it cleared up. Like whatever the hell was wrong. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We just need to idle it up a little bit. Wow, y'all. Listen to it like. I don't even hear that stumble or whatever the hell that was anymore. I'm super impressed. This thing it drove so good. It really did. That was the big thing, you know, I was worried about was how's the car going to drive and ride. It doesn't rub, it doesn't scrub. It drives, well, really just like it's supposed to.
The seats are real comfortable.
Yeah, the seats are super comfortable. This is not pulled down tight yet. That's why it's sitting like that. We got a zip tie back there holding it. We got to order a new piece for that. But anyway, y'all, I don't know what else I can say about this. I am tickled to death. This is this is officially the longest drive yet.
Oh yeah.
This is it. That car has not been any further than about maybe half mile, like I said, away from the house. But today, I mean, I'm going to leave all the footage in. I'll cut out a couple little things where we were just talking back and forth. But like that was a good, what, 8-minute drive probably, something like that. Yeah. Freaking sweet, y'all. Oh, man. It looks so good. Y'all, look at it sitting there. Like, that just, look at that. That's what I get to look at now. Oh, I'm tickled to death. All right, y'all. Here's where we are with this car as of right now. The 347, the crankshaft was bad due to a thrust bearing, probably due to the automatic that was in it, pushing on it, so it kind of screwed up a crankshaft. We've got another crankshaft coming, but everything needs to be sent up there and be balanced. So once we get that done, we'll rebuild this engine, the 347, we'll throw the TKX behind it, and all that stuff should be good to go and be able to drop in the 65. At that point, this thing's ready to take on the world. It needs tagging insurance, of course, which we just got to get, and a few little things here and there. I say that there's a lot of work still left to be done to this car. I mean, a lot of little things, but for the most part, we got a solid car that we can drive around. So I'm tickled to death. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. And as always, thanks for watching. Over here, these are all the parts that are left to get the 65 pretty much on the road. So little things like, you know, door handles. We do have some rollers, which kind of late to the game here on this, and we are going to dynamat the back of the car, or kill mat, I should say, is what we're going to use. And I've got a whole new box in there of it, so we're going to load this thing down with it. All right, so over here we have our new polished pieces that go on the side of the seats. This is the trim that goes above the back seat on your headliner here, and I want to say we've got, yeah, this is the middle piece that goes there. We were missing that. Here's our hog ring pliers and hog rings, but hey, we got them now, right? We made it work without them, but we got it now. Clips for the seat, bunch of stuff for the seat. We have to have these for the locks, the door locks on the car. We didn't have those. That's what the rod goes into right here. That's that piece. So we had to have all of that. Now, this and this over here will allow us to get the locks in the car. So we can get the locks now in the car, meaning the trunk and everything. We even got our little screws for the door handles and cranks and all that. These right here have to go in now from under the car. So I'm going to have to slide these things up, flip them, and push them down. More door handles, window cranks, things like that. Here's the trim for our vents in the back, and this also goes on the seats.
So I know it doesn't look like a lot of stuff, but these are all the little things that are going to make this car feel like a car again. All right, we do have to pull the rear glass out at some point and put the rest of these little tabs in right here. We got some screw-in ones that we're going to pop in. That's pretty easy to do. And we'll pop glass back in, put all of our new trim on. We do have the trim, we just don't have it in. There again, the door locks will be going on the car soon. And oh, I see John started taking the lettering off over here. I'm not gonna lie to you, the GT350 lettering looks so good on the car. You know, and you could argue that maybe this doesn't look as good, but it adds a special little touch to the car. So feel free down in the comment section below to let me know how you feel about that. They're the same size and the same length, but there's more letters, so it makes them look smaller. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the car. I'm sure, you know, all the guys will probably be over later today, and we'll work on the car, and I'll get you guys some more video.